看一下。Oh, nice these two.
Mushroom nail.
Yes, this one is the one. This is the metal. This is the metal.
With the plastic, with the
Yes,
rubber.
we also said it is the one pieces at the steam repair. Do you see? Okay, Facebook friend also can see.
Okay.
We also have different size you can choose. This size is the diameter is 52. 是吗？ The diameter.
Let me check.
52 指的是 pinch 吧？哦、the pinch is the 52。
就是它的直径嘛。
是，但是那个杆，
然后那个杆是6毫米。
好像又不是很大。48
Yeah, 48.
It seems like the 58, the pinch. We also have different size. 48. You also have the smaller one or bigger one. You can choose. And this one is the crystal. We call it is the crystal. It's different the material. This is the mantle. It is the iron mantle. 可以拿一下钳子吗？就是演示一下这样。When you put on your shoe, let's
Let us show you more details. You can see what hard work we do.
cannot see. Facebook friend cannot see it.
这个会变形哦。
爸，这里，从这里开始吧。对 ，cannot see. It is very hard.
Should be careful.
Yes.
You can see. This is the rubber,
This is the rubber.
and this is the metal.
Yeah. After you spring out of the tire, then you take away the metal. Yes. You also can peel this hole. Like see, peel this hole. Then you cup it. You can use to. This is set the how to say. You can use twice times. Peel it here. The first time. Then you can cut out the rubber, the black rubber. Yes, you can cut out the black rubber. Then you can seal another hole.
So what's the use of this?
It will be more useful for you to
Put the nail into the hole.
yeah.
Right?
You can see if only the rubber it wasn't not
it's
easy.
So soft.
Yeah.
Too soft.
Too soft to not easy.
Too hard to put the rubber into the hole, right?
Yes, if you have the mantle, it will be easy for you.
Because it's hard.
I cannot see. Let's see like this. Then you can.
It's easy to put it into
Yeah.
the hole. Okay.
Yes. Then no need.
Then take it off.
Yes.
Very good.
It also same as this
Small
ones.
one.
Yes, this is more small mantle. You also said the one steam at shoes repair.
Okay.
It is same. You can see when you put on the punch like this, then you can use these tools to peel out. You see?
Okay.
Then you can seal the
hole.
Yes. You also can use to cut off.
Cut
next
it
one.
off.
Yeah. Then you already seal the punch with
Yeah.
this, right?
Yeah.
You also can the rest of this. You also can seal the another hole. Also can seal other hole. 拿个剪子把这个直接剪了吧。 要不然说不清楚。So like this, we try again, okay? Spring on, yeah. You can seal
the hole with the patch. Okay?
Seal the hole here.
Yeah.
The first.
So we can cut it off.
Cut it
the
off.
nail.
Yes. Okay, already cut it off. You already seal the hole. The next one, if you have here the hole, you also can seal the next hole. Seal the next hole. Then the rest of the iron no need.
绣花针，我在说还是绣花针。
不，它就是一个。The next one you cut off. You can seal twice.
绣花针。绣花针。
Yes.
This one. It's like one.
Embroidery needle.
Like this, right?
Yes. So you can use twice if for some repair store you can use twice, but few customers
Cannot do that.
They don't know this. They only know seal one times, but the next one also can seal next times. Yes.
So I have one question.
Mm-hmm.
So this patch is mainly used for the tube touch or tubeless tire or tube with tube tire.
For both.
Both.
Both. Yes.
So how to cut it? Because you already put that in the hole. Then how to you cut it?
You miss the inner.
Yes, because the nail already in your tube.
Mm-hmm.
So how you to cut it off?
So
if mainly use for the how to say the tubeless tire, because you make the tire off, then you can check, you can how to say, to repair the hole like this, then cut it. Yes.
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
So if for tube is for the tube tire, it cannot cut it off.
No. So you only can use on the tubeless tire. The inner tube cannot use twice. But this one will be the price will be a little high than only for one patch. You can see it is same, but it have the steel. So it also called the mushrooms tire patch. Yes, you can use twice times. Okay. So if you have any other question for this product, you can.
它是堵塞和贴。
Hello, Zamin Dan. 有好多人哦。
是的，所以。
Ronnie, hello Ronnie.
Hello, welcome.
Hello, welcome.
Raphael. And Zoe. Welcome.
Okay. If you have any question for this product, you can write down here. Then I can see. Okay. So this is the tool you can choose. 哎，那个铁杆，被拔了。Yes. Okay. And this is the package. Let me show you the package. Okay. The package is this. One boxes have around 24
pieces.
Yes, 24 pieces.
We always print the details on our package.
Yes.
Okay.
Our package have some Chinese and also have some English
and Chinese printing.
Yeah.
Because our mic brand is very famous in our mainland. You also can check. 我们有一个 logo， 央视品牌 CCTV.
We also
it's our Chinese channel brand. You can say CCTV. So our quality is very, very good.
Good.
We can guarantee our quality to use.
Yes. 下一个。Oh.
Next one.
Next one. We show you the US model. US model we already finished to introduce. The next one we show you the Japanese. Oh, the MOQ. You didn't ask me. The MOQ is 50 cartons for Michael. Normally we have the stock for this patch.
This MOQ covers the customer's brand?
No, cannot.
No.
No.
Okay.
If you want to do your brand, the MOQ will be high. Normally will be around 120 feet container.
Whoa, talk with boss. Reduce the quality.
Okay. But if you want to test our quality, like 1 or 2 cartons, we also pleased to support you to do that.
Okay, very good.
Yes. It will be better if you have the shipping agent in China. Then we can send to your shipping agent. Then you can combine your container together with your other goods. Then test. No problem. You can test our quality first for only 1 carton. No problem. We are pleased to support to you. Okay.
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 Thank you.